The Woods RV Park is open Monday through Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you are coming off of 65, stay in the far right lane. The park is not clearly marked, so look for the RVs. There are 105 full hookup sites. Water, sewer, electric, and cable are included, as well as Wi-Fi. The nightly rate is $35 plus tax. They do offer Good Sam and military discounts. Notice my mouse. You can only turn right out of the RV park, so a few traffic lights up, there's a semi-turnaround to make a U-turn with your RV. The RV park is located across the street from the TA truck stop. The entrance is next to Arby's. Welcome to the Woods RV Park located in Montgomery, Alabama. When checking in, stop at the stop sign located in front of the office. Propane is also sold on site. On the left is the bathhouse and laundry facility, open 24/7. Access to and the facilities are ADA compliant. In the bathhouse, you will find 3 toilets, 3 sinks, and 3 showers. All 3 showers are walk-ins. 1 shower is a roll-in. The park also offers coin-operated laundry. There are 2 washers and 3 dryers. Located ahead on the right are the horseshoe pits. There's also a picnic table and a fire ring. Don't forget to subscribe now for all future content. Relax by the lake and watch the resident geese and crane, or bring your fishing poles for this fully stocked pond. Don't let the pond fool you, it is 16 feet deep and no swimming is allowed. The RV sites are gravel and every site has a concrete patio. The size of the sites are large and provide plenty of room for parking. Remember, the speed limit is 5 miles an hour and the entire park is one ways. All of the sites are angled for easy access and you aren't on top of your neighbor. There is a stage, a playground, basketball hoops, a large open field, a community fire pit, and an oversized pavilion with tables and chairs. We stayed at the Woods RV Park for an entire month and enjoyed our stay.